Hello friends, Tandy here. Today I'm doing a detailed review of the O-Cedar H2prO Flat Mop system. It's a very interesting compact mop that has a new feature that other similar mops do not have. I have used the other O-Cedar spin mops in the past and I'm curious on how this one measure up. Let's find out. Right out of the box, you get a sleek and compact bucket with a tank where you can add water and cleaning product. There's also a lid here that snaps onto the bucket, and this is for the drying section. This is a foot pedal. It might look small and simple, but it's there for a reason, and you'll see why soon. Let's keep on going. Next is the handle, which extends up to 56 inches, which is good. Then there's this mop pad which has a soft feel but also some scrubbing power to it. It attaches to this mop base with Velcro. For your information, the mop does not come with a separate usual manual with information about the product. Rather, the instructions are on the box right here at the top. Y'all know prices change with time, right? So check out the link below for exact pricing and where you can buy the product. Before I share the pros and cons of this mop, let's see how it works. First, remove the water tank and fill it with water and add 2 teaspoons of your favorite floor cleaning product. Be sure not to put too much product because this will leave residue on your floors, making them look cloudy, so don't do that. Make sure you're not using bleach or wax with this mop. Next, dip the mop into the bucket, and here's the cool part. As you pump the mop up and down, the clean water from this blue tank flows through the jets, wetting or rinsing the mop pad evenly. Here's the special foot pedal feature on the dry section side. Just tap on it and insert the mop, then pump it up and down with your hand to wring out the excess water. The best part, you get to control how wet or dry the mop pad is depending on your floor type. This is a pro tip. If you're mopping wood or laminate floors, keep the mop pad damp but not dripping because too much water can cause damage over time. Check out this video to learn more about mistakes to avoid when mopping your wood or laminate floors. You're welcome. This flat mop bucket system can be used on different floors like wood, laminate, tile, and more. I even used it to clean the brick on my fireplace. Here's the satisfying moment. Look how dirty the mop pad is. Looks like it's doing its job. It's very dirty, y'all. So when the mop pad is dirty like this, rinse it out and repeat the process till you're done mopping the floors. Alright, now that you know how the flat mop works, let's get into the pros and cons. I know y'all been waiting for this part. Let's go. The main advantage of this mop that makes it unique compared to similar flat mops is it makes it possible to use clean water to rinse the mop. As you rinse the mop, the dirty water goes in a separate tank and the two do not mix. Nope, they don't. The good thing I like the most is the rinsing is very effective. As you can see here, this mop was very dirty and after rinsing, it's all clean and ready to mop again. No more dipping the mop in dirty water and then spread the dirt all over. Nope. And here's another win. This mop does not lock you into using a specific cleaning product. You can use any floor cleaner you love. No special overpriced mop specific solutions required here. Moving on, another thing I really like about this mop is the reusable pad. It's soft enough for regular cleaning but also has just the right amount of scrubbing power for those tougher spots. Plus, it's washable, so you can use it over and over up to 6 months depending on frequency of use, which is good because this saves you money. Quick heads up though, because of its scrubbing power, do not use this mop pad on glass surfaces. It might leave scratches. For those delicate jobs, just switch to a gentler, compatible mop pad, okay? Still on the pros, O-Cedar always loves to throw in a little something extra. Remember the mop resting place on their rinse clean spin mop? This one is a clever foot pedal that keeps the bucket balanced while wringing. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference, especially considering how small the bucket is. No more chasing your bucket across the room while mopping. Pretty cool cool stuff. I also like that the handle is adjustable and steady. It extends up to 56 inches, which is longer than the 51-inch handle on the spin mop. That means it's super comfortable to use no matter your height. Tall or short, this mop got your back and your floors, my friend. More on the pros, it's worth noting that the bucket is made of tough, durable plastic, which adds to the mop's longevity. Another pro is you don't have to touch the mop pad to wring it out, just use the handle. This keeps your hands dry and makes the process cleaner and more convenient. If you're not a fan of those foot pedal wringers on spin mops, this is perfect for you. Are you team foot wringing or hand wringing? Let me know in the comments. Another of my favorite features is how you can control the dampness of the mop. If you're working with delicate floors like wood or laminate, you wring it out until it's just damp enough to avoid damaging the floors. But if you're mopping tiles, it's flexible because tiles are tough and can handle a little extra moisture. It's like having a mop that adjusts your floor's personality. Pretty cool stuff. Moving on, from my experience as a pro cleaner, the flat mop allows for a more streak-free and smooth finish when mopping compared to a string mop that can show the string marks, especially on glossy floors. This mop also works great on spills. It really absorbs liquids very well, which is good, especially if you have small kids. If you know, you know, anything can happen anytime really. Another thing that I really like is how compact the bucket is. It's sleek, vertical, and doesn't take up much space. It's perfect if you're short on storage. You can tuck it away under the cabinet or in a corner. That's it. It's not complicated. Whenever I have a new cleaning tool, I always try to find other ways of using it apart from its main purpose, for as long as it doesn't damage anything. So this flat mop isn't just for floors, y'all. It's so versatile. You can use it on doors, walls, kitchen islands, and more. Another feature that I like is the mop pad swivels or rotate in all directions, making it easier and faster to clean these areas in some hard to reach places. Here's another pro. You don't always need the bucket when mopping. The base mop is compatible with other mop pads too, like the Rubbermaid spray mop pad right here. So for hardwood floors, since they don't need much moisture, just spray your favorite cleaner directly and use the mop on its own. When it's time to clean tile or other surfaces that can handle more moisture, you can then use the full bucket system. The choice is yours. While the flat mop system has many benefits, there are a few cons to keep in mind if you're thinking about buying it. This mop works well for everyday or regular maintenance cleaning as well as cleaning small spaces. But for big spaces or deep cleaning jobs, the small water tank can be a hassle because the bucket doesn't hold a lot of water. So you have to refill it more often, especially if you're cleaning a large or very dirty space and need to rinse the mop frequently. Like I said earlier, when you're cleaning wood or laminate floors, you have to wring out the mop several times to make sure it's not too wet, since these floors can get damaged by excess water. This step is very important, but it can be a bit exhausting if you're cleaning a large area. In as much as I like how sturdy and long the handle is, another drawback I noticed is adjusting the handle isn't as simple as it could be. To shorten it, you literally have to remove one of the sections instead of just twisting and adjusting like with spin mops. It's functional, but it's not as user-friendly as I would like. If you're still not sure which mop to buy, check out these videos for more options. By the time you're done watching, you have a clear choice. You're welcome. So here's the deal. If you're someone who is a bit of a germaphobe and you value cleaning your floors with only fresh, clean water, this mop is definitely for you. More so, the feature that keeps dirty and clean water separate is a no-brainer. I've used a lot of mops and I tell you, this feature really stands out. It gives you that extra peace of mind knowing you're not just pushing dirty water around. This flat mop is perfect if you have a smaller space to clean or want something handy for quick touch-ups, or if you want to clean other areas like walls. But if you have a larger area to mop or your floors tend to get super dirty, this might not be the most practical choice. The A smaller clean water tank means you'll be making more trips to refill it, which could get a little tedious. Having said all this, I personally recommend this mop for its innovative design and how it keeps your floors fresh and hygienic. If you've tried this mop, let me know your experience in the comments. Is it a yes or nay for you? Check out this video I suggest next for more helpful cleaning tips, and share the video with people in your life. Until next time, take care of yourself, my friend, because you're special. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.